What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Crispy, and I figured why not. Faze Rain was in my game, as you can see. We're going to do his combat record, 1.41 KD, 50 days played, 0.68 win-loss ratio, 3.74, 374 score per minute, 27 kill chains. Ooh. So, 3 nuclears, 0 unstoppables, 19 brutals, 27 kill chains. Let's see, another thing y'all like to see is quad feeds, 228. Then there's this. 149,023 kills with the ballista. Wow. There's all of this. There's the shock charges used. This thing. And I know another thing y'all want to see is his gamer card. Let's look at his friends. Just so y'all know that it's really Faze Rain. Faze a Dad. Y'all know that's really Faze a Dad. Faze Agony. Faze Apex. Faze Aquarius. Faze Banks. Faze Barker. Faze Benji. Bro and Carl and all these other people. Faze Rain is one on YouTube that I watch a lot. I watch all of his videos, and he is really good. Obey people. There's Pomage. They're like neck and neck now with subscribers. Alright, Solar. Alright, peace out. Make sure to subscribe. It's your boy Crispy.